Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need Office 365 or a supported Excel first. Sign into the OneDrive app with the same Microsoft account you use for Excel. Once signed in, make sure the OneDrive sync folder is enabled and synced to local disk. Now open Excel, go to File Account and verify the same account is active. After that, save a test workbook to the OneDrive folder. File save as OneDrive. This confirms permissions, and initial sync are working before deeper setup. With the test file in OneDrive, enable auto-save in the Excel title bar so changes push immediately to the cloud. This avoids version conflicts. Next, organize your workbook into a shared folder in OneDrive to manage access. Use Share People in OneDrive or Excel to grant edit or view rights, and choose whether recipients can forward links. If you need co-authoring, keep Excel file types as XLSX or XLSM and avoid legacy formats. This preserves change tracking and simultaneous edits by others. Finish by confirming that OneDrive shows a green check for fully synced files. Open the workbook from OneDrive to test co-authoring and auto-save across devices. If you need to restore earlier content, use version history to revert to a previous save. Make sure Excel add-ins or blocked external links aren't preventing cloud saves. If syncing stalls or you see conflicts, sign out and back into OneDrive or pause and resume sync. As a fallback, upload a fresh copy and reapply sharing settings to resolve persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.